wonder what color they match with. 6,000.
So here's a 2007 Eclipse. We're installing our dual color changing front turn signals, 3157. Here's the passenger side done. Of course it's daytime, so you're not going to be able to see it too good, and then here is the stock one. Now you can do the swap. Okay, you can. Yeah, put your hazards on. So here's the stock. Now we come over here. Here's your nice dual color changing LED. So you want to get that one done. You can turn them off if you want.
These wires are too short.
That way you had trouble getting in?
No, I gotta detach it off the side first.
Look at that hideous bulb. Hideous. Hideous. Beach.
Switch them around. And
Oh, they're not on.
oh, the lights are on. Hold on. There it is.
Try your turn signal. There you go. It's not working. I think you unplugged it or something.
Oh, it's not plugged in yet.
Oh, it's not plugged in. And there we go. So it takes about 6 minutes to do it all. And there are your new headlights.
Congratulations, sir.
Of course, I would highly recommend HIDs. The stock bulbs really don't cut it anymore.